Hey, it's Chris at Ujoint. It's a nice quiet Sunday morning here at the shop. So I figured I'd knock out some videos while I'm pulling rigs out, because next week's gonna be a little crazy. This van we've been calling the 5.4 limo. It was a local rig to us. A customer out of Massachusetts found it and purchased it. They delivered it here, and we've been doing our thing since. So 2012 5.4 6-inch lift leaf. It's got progressive leaves all the way around. 6-inch 35s. Stage 2 Dana 60. 456 gears. Detroit True Track. Does have the RSC upgrade. It's got the big 14.5-inch diameter rotors. Up front, we did another flush mount stock bumper setup. So we did some amber floods on the outside and some clear spots on the inside. Front frame support, OBA line. Swapped the grill out for black. Bushwhacker flares. Sorry for the shadows. Fox 2.0s. All the usual stuff. This one doesn't have the track bar in it yet. We're going to put a few more miles on it before we bolt it up. Tires are Toyo Open Country RT 35 12 50 on ATX Cornice wheels. We Rhinoed the rockers and all the way around the back. Sorry, this van's a little dirty. It's getting detailed on Wednesday. Rear bumper, we did similar to the front. We just used the smaller rigid Ignite reverse lights, reverse LEDs. There's the other onboard air line. Added a hitch from Ford. Underneath the rear, we did our rear skid system with a Deca 8A4D battery, big boy battery. In the rear, re-geared the 456 ARB air locker. Underneath, there's the OBA, tank for the OBA, 2.5 gallon tank. There's our TX003 cross member for the 4R75 NV271 combo. Pulled the tranny, rebuilt, converted the 4-wheel drive, added the 271, 1350 CV drive shafts, front and rear. S-Pod system controls all the lighting and the OBA and the locker. So we put it up there. Still have a few little things to do on this rig. I'm gonna put some Sienna seats in it and a stereo. And that's about all I can think of right now. So, ujointoffroad.com. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be posting pictures and a full spec sheet on this van soon. Thanks. Ujointoffroad.com. See ya.